Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. Thermal drone captured an image at a 75 millia farm showing one inverter glowing bright orange while surrounding inverters are cool blue. The temperature difference was 45 degrees C and the hot inverter was about to fail. The drone spotted it 2 weeks before a failure would have cost $800,000 in emergency service. Today I'm showing 3 thermal signatures that reveal million-dollar failures because months in advance. Inverter failures follow predictable thermal patterns long before electrical failure. A healthy inverter operates at 35 to 40 degrees under normal load. A degrading inverter runs around 50 to 55 degrees. A failing inverter measures between 60 and 75 degrees. Most operators only check inverter temps via SCADA in real time, and they don't track trends. Is your inverter trending upward 0.3 degrees C per month and reaching failure in 18 months? SCADA only shows the current temperature and not the trajectory. Thermal drone captures actual temperatures across an entire portfolio at one moment. When one inverter reads 75 degrees C and all others read 40 degrees, you know something is wrong. SCADA might still show normal operation because the inverter is online and producing power. Thermal imaging reveals impending failure that SCADA filtering and averaging can miss. An inverter running at 70 degrees under 30 degrees ambient is a failure indicator that SCADA can miss. Step 1. Establish a baseline by deploying a thermal drone across your portfolio and recording component temperatures. Step 2. Identify anomalies where any component is more than 10 degrees C hotter than its baseline under similar operating conditions. Step 3. Perform trend analysis to see if the hot component is stable or trending upward. Step 4. Predictively schedule replacement by calculating the failure trajectory and timing intervention. Step 5. Run a cost analysis comparing planned replacement costs to emergency failure costs. Thermal imaging reveals impending failures months before electrical detection, and small upward trends predict catastrophic failures. On this 75 MW farm, inverters are trending toward failure now, while SCADA shows they are online and producing. 2 months from now, one could fail catastrophically with an $800,000 emergency repair cost. You could have replaced it as a planned $50,000 intervention if you had seen the thermal signature earlier. Schedule a free thermal failure prediction audit, including drone imaging, baseline, anomaly detection, and trajectory analysis. Most 100 MW portfolios discover 3 to 7 components trending toward failure, with planned replacements costing $150K to $350K. If discovered at failure, emergency replacements can cost 2.4 M to 5.6 M, so schedule now to prevent those losses. Thermal drones reveal component failure 2 to 3 months before electrical systems detect it, and rising temperature trends mean failure is coming. 145 degrees C difference revealed an $800,000 emergency failure waiting to happen. Take action now and book your free thermal failure prediction audit to get a full portfolio thermal imaging report and forecast. First 20 operators to book will receive a detailed thermal failure forecast for their portfolio. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.